name is Taiwo Awolisi, and today I want to show you what I'm having and how I'm prepping it.
Welcome to my channel. So today I don't even know what to eat, and I've been indoors. Honestly, I only had a piece of bread this morning, and I just remembered that I have a box of pizza in the fridge. I mean, raw one. So all I need to do is just put it in the oven so it can bake for a bit. So that's what I'm up to right now, and I hope you would enjoy the experience with me. And definitely, I will show you when I'm having it. Don't mind my face, no makeup, I'm just. But then let's enjoy this pizza for today and some other time. I know I'll have time to wear my makeup before I shoot some video and bring it to you guys. But for now, enjoy this piece. Come along with me as I make some pizza in the house, homemade pizza. Also, that's gonna be considered as brunch because it's not morning anymore. I think this is about okay, it's 11:54 right now, so it's considered a brunch. So it's okay. I'm surviving. Oh, so I can hear the sound, so I can put the pizza in the oven now because the oven is ready, already preheated. So now it's time to check the pizza to see if it's cooking. Oh my gosh! My gosh!
So we've been working circles, small as pinky rings. My people play.
Pizza is ready. So the next thing to do is to bring it out of the oven. But before then, I need to put some wooden platform on the surface so we don't get our surface stained. Boom. And I have to wear my gloves to get the pizza out of the oven. Oh my gosh, this is too beautiful. I mean, wow, guys, I can wait. This is gonna be way yummy. Come on. So the next thing is just to look for some knife to cut out some pizza for myself. A piece is enough. I don't eat that much, so oh my gosh, I don't even know if this pizza is, oh, it's the crust is so hard. Anyways, this piece is enough. Oh my gosh, I don't like to struggle with my pizza. Just cut out. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's enough. Then I can let the pepperoni to just stay inside. Fuck it, I can look.
Guys, that was really odd, and I didn't have a choice than to resort to speaking in my mother tongue.
Strange dream, lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve.
Ready? Oh.
I hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And now wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your vanity, wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean, wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one.
That was good. I got this at Walmart and it's just cool. It's it's less than $6 and I think it's actually good. And I can't even finish it at once. It's a lot. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my pizza with me, so you can get yourself some and step it down with some guava juice.
Can be true.
So guys, I'm gonna see you later on another episode on this channel.
I got delirium, like it's delirium, like it's delirium. She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Walk up to the stage with a drink like I'm Giveon, but I never came here to sing what I'm dividends. I'm trying to boost